Hello. This is the explanation of the doubts that were there in physics. So 34A question, with the help of a circuit diagram, obtain a relationship for the equivalent resistance of two resistors connected in parallel. This is the same question like in question number 35A. Explain with the help of a labeled circuit diagram how you will find the resistance of a combination of three resistors R1, R2 and R3 joined in parallel. So the questions are the same, so I'll explain this answer once only. Here you have a circuit diagram where you have the current coming out of the positive terminal here. It comes at this point and splits into three equal branches passing through each resistor R1, R2, R3. So the current I splits into I1 plus I2 plus I3. So I1 plus I2 plus I3 is the total current I. It's passing through each resistor, it comes out and it comes out through I. Please observe one thing, the voltage across all the three resistors in a parallel connection is the same. So in a circuit having parallel resistances, the total current is the sum of the current through each resistor. So I total is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. I told you, I total, I splits into I1 plus I2 plus I3. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. So as resistors are in parallel, we are going to write R as R parallel. So in the place of I, we'll write V by R parallel is equal to V by R1 plus V by R2 plus V by R3. Why are we writing only V? Because there's a common voltage for all the three resistors. So then take out V common. V bracket 1 by Rp is equal to V bracket 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. I've given a statement in parallel. The voltage across all the resistors are same. So cancel V on both sides. So we get 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. This is equivalent resistance in parallel connection. This is the same question for question 35A and 34A. Moving on to 34B. The question says, in the circuit diagram shown below, find total resistance and the current shown by ammeter A. Now you need to observe one thing. 5 is one resistor, 3 and 2 are two resistors. 3 and 2 are attached in series connection. So we will find out R total in series. R total for series is R1 plus R2. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Now here also 5 ohms, here also 5 ohms. These two are connected in parallel. So given the voltage across the battery is 4 volts, resistors in series 3 plus 2 is total 5 ohms, and the second resistor on top is 5 ohms. We need to find the current. So the formula is I is equal to V by R. The total resistance in the circuit, these 3 and 2 is 5, and this 5 with this 5 are in parallel. So 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5. 1 by R parallel is equal to 1 by 5 plus 1 by 5, which is equal to 2 by 5. Reciprocate both sides. So R parallel is equal to 5 by 2. R parallel is equal to 2.5 ohms. Then using Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. V is given in the question 4 volt, and we have found out total R is 2.5 ohms. So 4 by 2.5 is equal to 1.6 ampere. So the reading in the ammeter will be 1.6 ampere. Coming to the next one. This is question number 35B. In the diagram shown below, the cell and ammeter both have negligible resistances. The resistors are identical. With the switch K open, the ammeter reads 0.6 ampere. What will be the ammeter reading when the switch is closed? So here you have three resistors attached in parallel. You can observe over here the third resistor and the key are attached in the same line. So what is the given information? I have always told you, when you are writing answers, first write given information. What is given in the question, write. So it is given that I is equal to 0.6 ampere and resistor 1 is equal to resistor 2 is equal to resistor 3. Now we will start. When the switch key is closed, if this is closed, then our total effective resistance means total resistance. Our effective resistance is equal to 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. We know resistances are same, so 1 by Rp is equal to 3 by R1. Reciprocate, Rp is equal to R1 by 3. Keep this as equation 1. Then when the switch key is open, we do not take the last resistance. We will assume only the first two resistances. So when the switch key is open, we have 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2. So 1 by Rp is equal to 2 by R1. Rp is equal to R1 by 2. Now V is equal to I into R. I has been given as 0.6 ampere. So 0.6 into R. Total resistance that is given over here is R1 by 2. Cancel, you will get voltage as 0.3 R1. That is my second equation. So my voltage is 0.3 R1 and my total resistance is R1 by 3. So, what is the current passing when the switch is closed? I is equal to V by R. V is 0.3 R1 by total resistance is R1 by 3. R1 cancel, 0.3 into 3, 0.9 ampere. So, the current passing when the switch is closed is equal to 0.9 ampere. I hope your doubts have been cleared by the end of this video.